When you need to replace the pull handle and the arm is there, you need to remove the arm from the base of the chair to get to it. So you'll take the chair tilted over. Then you're going to have one bolt that goes down through the seat frame into the arm right there. And then you'll have two at the rear. Then there's also two Phillips. With your 10, you'd want to loosen these up. Get out of the way. Then the other one, you're not going to be able to get to it from the front side. So you're going to want to just undo the Velcro on the back side. And then you'll see it coming down through the back here. So you'll come down, get on top of it. Take that out. Once you have those out, then you'll want to get your Phillips. Put that back in. And then you can go at these from the bottom side. One of them's back in here on the arm. That should release everything except the Velcro. You'll take your utility knife and just cut where the arm and the back meet. Just cut through there. So that'll allow this piece to come separate from the arm. So then you'll move back up to the front of the chair to get the one that has the 14 in it. Okay, with the 14 out, then you should be able to take the chair, just roll it then back over. And so then it'll allow you to get to your parachute pole that you need to replace. So go back and grab your number 2 Phillips. Take out the 4 screws. And then you could just lace or pull the parachute back out of the arm. When you're going to relace the cable through, you can make a knife cut here in the cavity of the arm to help you rerun the cable. So you can reach up in there, feed it through, and then just reach up there with your finger and pull it up through. Setting it back down. Run your 4 screws in. Then you can pull this and see you have tension on there, so you know it's working. Okay, once you have the cable secured back onto the arm, you would grab the chair and bring it back over on top. And when you're lining it up, you're going to line up the kickboard to the bottom of the arm. So we'll move it forward there. And then you should be able to still see the impressions of where this seat frame was in it originally. So you just slide that down till you get it to line up. Then grab your bolt, and then you can start putting them in. And then with the 14, it's a little bit trickier, so you're going to have to line it up, and sometimes it's easier to go up front and feel where it is, then lay it down, and then just start hand putting it in. Then grab your 14 again. Then grab your wood screw, come in through the bottom, line it up with the hole, snug it up, you're done there. Then you can move it and grab the 10 and then come in through the top and down. Then with your 10, go ahead and run it the rest of the way in. Then after you have the seat frame secured back down, go ahead and grab your back drape material, pull it down and around, and hook it back to the Velcro.